think we're live. Yep, I think we're live. Let me just check on the phone real quick to see. Let's check on Yep, it looks like we're live, so I'm just gonna share this with everyone. Go to my channel. So yeah, we've reached 1K subs. Can't you heckin' believe it? And I haven't live streamed in a very long time. We're gonna work on the game today. Until you know, buddies get back home. So I'll stream for like an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours. I'm hoping I can do an hour and a half at least. And I'll do the rest of the work on my phone. Share this. I'm not sure how many people are actually going to watch this, but... Oh yeah, I almost forgot. Let me put these disclaimers up. I'm going to put them up for 5 seconds. There we go. All that's out the way, so no one can do anything about the video. Okay. So let me put this in flax then. Yeah, I'll do that. Okay. I don't know how much time I'm gonna have to stream. I'm hoping I can stream for an hour and a half, like, because parents might come over eventually, and I don't know. Hopefully, my hotspot will have enough data on it for that amount of time. So, yeah, I'll just get whatever I can out of this stream. It really was a big road working up to 1K subs, not gonna lie. It's also a big change shifting from Unity to Flax. I'm not sure if it's because of the amount of stuff I have going on in Flax, like because I barely added anything or what it is, but I think Flax so far runs a little bit better than Unity. But who am I to speak, I guess. What was I gonna do? Oh yeah, I was gonna import my stuff from Unity, so we're gonna start with the UI. I'm not sure if Flax has canvases or not like Unity does, but I mean, it's worth its shot, I guess. No. Let me scroll up to one of this guy's messages. We don't have anything personal going on in these messages, so I mean, I'm sure it's completely alright to show the DMs. If we had something personal, I could probably understand that. So, I mean, what was I gonna... Oh yeah, I need to scroll... Because I need to ask this guy a question about something. Where's my 2D question? Flax has canvases, right? Good lord, bro. You know, let me try this out. New UI canvas. Okay. Good. Did you hear me on the stream talking about DMing people? My stream can't be, my stream can't keep up with me that good, right? I mean, I'm on a heckin' hotspot right now. That's what I'm using to stream, because if I streamed on my normal Wi-Fi, then, If I were to stream on my normal Wi-Fi, this wouldn't be possible. Even at 144p, it would just completely implode on itself, the stream. If you open up the game view, you can edit things now. I want to play my game though, lol. Alright. Alright, I see. I won't leak your DMs anymore, but at least we didn't talk about anything personal, because then at that point you'd be able to sue me for everything I just showed. I'll just name this canvas, just like I do in the Unity editor. And, I want a 2D space. Where's the 2D space? If you don't want me doing the DM thing, at least I'll just... I opened up the game view, bro. I did. Oh, you mean this game view? Oh, so that's how you edit the UI. The canvas is in the game view, it's not in the editor. That's so weird. I mean, I'll get used to it, but like... that is kind of odd. In Unity, what you would do, because I have Unity up right now, is... you see this right here? This is completely in the editor. And there's a 2D option, and when you click off that, you can go back into 3D. So that's my game space right there, the level and stuff. And I can click 2D, and then up goes my canvas. And then you can see that is replicated in the game. But, yeah. Edit through a widget. Interesting. You can make a world space canvas to edit in the editor. Interesting. So, I mean... is that in here? UI and... oh, that won't show on the screen by default. Screen space is better. Is that what you just showed me? Like, going to the game tab, is that the screen space, or is it something different? Because if it's something different, I'll make something new, and then I'll just create that in here. Screen. Oh, it's just a mode? It must be one of these, then. View. Oh, there's an FPS counter here. That's interesting. Mode on the regular canvas. Alright, screen space. It's in view, or it's a node on the canvas, not in the editor. Okay. So I click on the canvas group itself, I think, right? And then it should be in one of these things. If you go to the content window, you can right-click New UI. Okay. Sadly, no. I see sprite renderer, text renderer, UI canvas, and UI control. The properties window? This one right here, right? I'm trying to right click. Not the scene tree. The content window. Wait, is my stream even showing the left side? Because the content window, I'm pretty sure, is the thing on the left, right? With where it says scene, visuals, camera 4, the collider, the cubes, and the canvases. I need to look at my own stream. I don't know why I'm not doing that. I'm only looking at the chat. Oh, that's really... I'm looking at my stream right now, and that's probably a bug in Visual Studio or something, because... Or I didn't set this up correctly, so I mean... Let me see, video... Yeah, I'm gonna have to stop the stream and then just put my screen back to that. Or you know what? Because it's set to 1080p, maybe I'll just set my screen resolution to 1080p. I won't have to stop the stream then. Rescale the capture. I don't think you can do that because I went into OBS and I went into video, and the scale resolution is 1080p and it's all grayed out, so unfortunately I'll just have to do 1080p, but that's fine, I guess. The actual game, okay. The game capture object, let me go to properties. Oh, display capture. It's definitely display capture. Settings. Nah, doesn't look like that's the case, but I'm gonna try changing my resolution. See if that does anything for me. Oh dear. Keep the changes. Oh dear. Keep the changes. Yeah, it still looks like that's the case, so I might just... Yeah, you might be right. Yeah, it still looks like that's the case, so I might just... Yeah, you might be right. It's been a long time since I streamed too, so... These errors are only expected. It's been a long time since I streamed too, so... These errors are only expected. Let me put this up a little bit. Yeah, that was probably just it. So, let me go back into Flax. How do things look now? Oh yeah, I'm viewing it on my end. It looks like everything is seeable. Alright, now we can continue with this thing. The content window. Is that the one on the right or the left where all my cubes and stuff are? Oh no, I'm a dummy. The content window's over here. I'm in the content window. It's the one down below with all my folders. Right click. Yeah, I'm in. So I see widget now. Would that be it? Yep, we'll just leave it as the default thing, I guess. UI widget. Yeah, I can see that. It says it's a prefab too. Didn't know this engine had that. Alright. Okay. Well, the text is just that much bigger at 1080p. Okay, so I do want to actually hang on. Let me see. Source game. I want to make a new folder for this stuff. UI elements. Hopefully it'll do the same thing here. So I just dragged the whole group in, right? The canvas that's attached, the canvas scaler as well, that's attached to this canvas. Because that's the... that's really interesting. How the source folder is like... I guess I gotta keep it in the content one. Can I make a folder inside the content one? And will it still be good then? Okay. UI elements. Okay, so I dragged the whole group in, right? From here. Yeah, my stream is a little bit delayed. The mic is just... I can tell. Yeah, I'll drag the whole group in. And I gotta wipe these computer glasses down now, but yeah, I did it. I see a green highlighter underneath it, I think. Yeah, green underline underneath a what looks like to be a sky photo. Oh, and I also noticed the in the left in my with all the objects and stuff, it's highlighted green over there too. Let me just ping some more people about this. For 1K subs, I thought it would have a little more viewership. The heck? Discord's acting real funky today. Yeah, let me just... I'm not ignoring you, I'm just trying to ping more people real quick. And Steve. Well, we're just gonna ping almost every single person in the server, because why not? And back to you. Because it's 8p pre... it's prefab. Open the prefab, so double click on it. Oh, I see a big grid now with all kinds of things. I opened the prefab, Mr. Bolt. I see a grid. What do I do now? And there's something I can select over here, and I can move this grid around. I can take these out now. Me leaking DMs? Ain't no way. That's the UI editor. That's very unique, I guess. I never seen anything like this in Unity before, so I'm guessing... Am I supposed to do something now? Because I have, because it looks very different to what I'd be used to in Unity if this can load. Let's just make this bigger, because in Unity, as you can see, there's like... I think I have the... Yeah, I have the... This is the pause menu. So I have a resume button, and I have an image attached to it with some text on it, I think. Yeah, that's what I have for that. But this is something definitely different, so... Just as like a starter button, for instance, what are we meant to do? I plan to take this... I plan to actually start getting back into long-form content on this channel, like longer form commentaries and reviews and such like that. I hope I can just up my editing skills. My biggest issue, though, I think, is my mic, because it sounds very echoey. Expand the UI canvas. So I grabbed this. Oh, you're in the chat now, okay. Yeah, come on, let me... There we go. Expand it. Expand it like this, right? Can I grab the edge of this, please? Expand it in the scene tree. Oh, I see, I see. Can I close, real quick, can I close out the Flax, like, hub and still keep the project open? Because it gets confusing. I believe it's already expanded because I can see the canvas scaler. Oh, I didn't see that. So then you need to right click and hover. Oh yeah, I have to undo that. I was just playing around with the thing, so should be back to normal now. I did undo it though, so expand the UI canvas. You need to right click, hover over. Okay, so I think I basically do this, what you did in the second message. Okay, so expand the UI canvas, and you need to right click, hover over. New UI control. Is it possible for you to do a low resolution stream on Discord? I mean, possibly. I could probably do that, but like, I'm not sure how much of my hotspot it would eat up, but I could certainly do it. Let me see. Yeah, I think I'll do that. I just gotta make the resolution really low, so. Okay, so let me just share my stuff. Not sure how much of a delay there's gonna be because of the stream, but I wish there was. Let me see, custom. No, I can't make a custom stream. I can't just set this to 480p. Well, that's something. Oh well. This may eat up at the stream, but here we go. And Discord's already lagging. Okay, so you can see the screen, right? And I'm just streaming on YouTube because... Oh, you can't see the screen yet? I have Flax open. Yeah, I just decided to stream on YouTube because of that 1K special. so set type. Oh, here it is. Do image or text? Text box. Oh, it looks really small. But there it is. I guess I have to resize that. And for reference, my menu on the Unity thing, it looks like this. So yeah. You can do a regular button. Oh, this is a big menu to see the least. But I probably can work with that. This text I can set it anywhere I want. This isn't a button though, this is just text box. Oh, a label is what I want. Okay. New UI control. Set type. And then I want... Oh, okay, I want a label. Which is also really small, so I'm gonna just set the size of that. Position snapping or whatever it is does not work. But I mean, I'll probably just deal with that later. You want to make a new image control. Oh, a new image. So I right click here, UI control, and then set type. Like that. Let me just send this to my buddy. Okay, so let me read what you said real quick. There's a lot of options. I'm not sure if you can click the image, so it might just be better to use buttons. I see. This is just copying what I did in Unity, so I mean... With this image, basically... So this image is the button, right? Is that where... I would have to make a new text control, right? I read the instructions backwards. Alright. So I think this image is... Hmm. The image should be the parent of the... Oh, I see. Let me reverse this. Label. Come on, be the... There we go. The image isn't green, though, for some reason. Did I do something wrong? Yeah, I'm talking. My stream is still going. Okay. Yeah, no, Discord should be working just fine. Oh, I heard... Oh, you must have left and rejoined. Okay, but yeah, it looks like... Did I disconnect or did you disconnect? Because I'm hearing a lot of things. I'm hearing a lot of noises. Yeah, I did see the messages you sent. So, you said I was doing something reverse. The label should be the child of the image. So I did that, but I mean, just a small question. The image doesn't appear to look like it's green anymore. It's just a plain white. That's just fine, right? Yeah, it's alright. If you control... Alright, I see. Okay, so... What do I do next? Do I add a text box one of these, or am I supposed to do that with the image or the label? Oh, there's text in here. That must be where you put the stuff. The label displays the text, okay. And where... Oh, I can enter my text in here, I think, so... No valid localization settings set up. What do you mean? I'm trying to put in some text here. Oh, I see. Okay, so I'm gonna just... Let's just make this a resume button. Resume button. It's so tiny. But, I mean... Let's see. What I find really odd is that with this, it's like you have to... Ah, there we go. That's a good font size. Now we're cooking here. We're cooking like Walter White, so now we just gotta do something from here. Oh, yeah, Discord must be really lagging because I'm trying to stream and do different things at the same time, but I said, yeah, that works. Now we're cooking like Walter White or something like that. Because I... Oh, you heard that? Bo, I just thought what was really weird is that you have to actually, like, type a value in here. You can do that with Unity, but the thing is with Unity, if I open this up, well, I'm surprised it's actually responding. So, let me get to the text and see if I can replicate it. Yeah, you see this? How, my cursor is next to the font size? How my cursor's next to the font size, and basically you can click and then just move your mouse to the right or left to make it smaller. I mean, it's pretty minor, but I can work with it. It's on the right, the double arrows. Oh, I see, I see, I see. You have to hover over this thing. I didn't know that. Goated. I see now. So, yeah. So I have the resume text and like the design set up from here. I can obviously work on the other design aspects maybe a little later, but I mean, for now we're trying to get this into a button and to make it show when you hover over it and it shows a certain color, that kind of stuff. Basically, what we're just trying to do the Unity stuff, I guess. That's just fine, bro. But I mean, I'm probably also gonna try out other things besides this UI thing while I try to figure out the UI stuff, because the UI stuff seems to be pretty complex. I'm gonna get a character controller going. That would probably be the best first step now that I think about it. But I'll see you later, man. Thanks for sticking around the stream and helping me with this Flax project. See ya. Okay, so looks like I'm pretty much on my own from here. Let me just close this out. Ah, there it is. What the heck? Oh, this is the camera. I never felt this productive in a long time, though. Making YouTube shorts, it gets a lot of views, but I mean, the consistency of those viewers is kind of poor. No, I don't just want top messages, I want all messages. If you guys have any questions for anyone watching the stream about my content or just whatever, I'll happily answer you. Because the chat seems kind of dead at the moment. Yeah, player. Well, the camera's completely separate. It's odd, but I mean, you have to do what you gotta do. Let's see, new. Is that just built in? Nah, bro. Just messing around with this. Colliders. Capsule collider. Let's make a capsule collider. And it's right underneath the thing, of course. Physics. Rigid body. Did I already work with this? Yeah, I did. Let's just rotate this. Perfect. Negative 90. Because why not? Wait, what? Why wasn't the capsule in here? Empty actor. This is very unique. Very unique to me. Dogs barking outside. Let me copy all this, because it doesn't seem to be... No, that just changed the position. Can I take the capsule out of here, please? Rushing bee. Are they trying to be funny? Please tell me I can just close out of that. Okay, good. Because I don't want that on my screen constantly. 0. This should help. Character controller. No, I want to go into the editor. Why do you put me in the game by default? Character controller. Deal with it. Looks like the camera is attached to the thing. Imagine getting back pain, bro. Now I think is the time to start adding the scripts. Visual Studio might not want to load, but it's gonna have to. Bro. Why is Visual Studio like the most laggy thing out of everything else? Like any code editor, why is that always the laggiest part? The laggiest application in video game development? So anyways, what was I going to... Oh yeah, so... Movement. Should be a movement. Let's open this up in Notepad so I can see. Hang on! I can't just pause this? Hang on! She's back earlier than I expected. Let me disable that. Hello, hello, hello? Disable that. Hello, hello, hello? Nope, it's not disabled. Let me just... Testing. Hello, testing. Alright, this works. We're back on track. Actually, yeah. Let's do that. Dante gets defense because of Royal Guard. Sure. Okay, let me open the script up. Oh, I think it already opened. Nope, it didn't. That's false. False alert. Ah, could this please load a little faster? Okay, let's just select all. Copy. And let's go here. Backspace. Oh, no. One part I probably shouldn't have done, though. Hang on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Visual Studio, why you gotta be so slow? Nope, open up the... I never said to open Notepad back up. formatting errors. So let's just... Oh dear. Oh, that's what you get for copying, pasting a bunch of stuff like that. It's gonna make this thing more laggy too. So let me just... This doesn't belong here. We're taking this out. Does this thing have layer masks on it? This does have layers on it. So why doesn't this work? What brilliant solution could you possibly have, Visual Studio? What the heck? That did not change anything. Let's look this up. I always do it in an in-private window, because why not? Everything is so laggy. Guess we're gonna open this. Let me just stop casting real quick, because I'm gonna just... I need to open something up in Notepad. Where's my poppin' project? Hmm. Alright, I'll put the stream back on. Here we are. I don't see... I don't see any, like, key codes or anything like that. So how did this guy do this? I have a preset open right now, which should, in theory, just give me everything I need, right? I don't see any, like, key codes. How did this guy do this? Unless, let's see what happens if I actually try to run this. Will I be able to just... Is this something implemented into the game? Hmm... Do they have a script for movement for this guy? Because I'm not seeing any of that. it's possible it's just there by default, so... Let me go back here, and... Where's the camera? No, I didn't mean to do that. Come on now. Camera... No, I'm doing this wrong. Hang on. I need to put this as a child of the camera. Heck off, bro. I don't need you open in Visual Studio anymore. I got my trusty notepad here. Interesting, but that didn't quite work. Let's make a alright, so let's make the camera... You're saying I can't make the camera a child of anything? Seems kinda dumb if you ask me. No, I do not. Wait, is that camera in real? Never mind, I was about to say. No, wait, let me see. Oh, that's real interesting. It shows on the camera display, too. Look how... Oh dear. I did something wrong. Alright, there we go. Put that back. I thought this was gonna work a lot differently, but I thought it would be easier, but it looks like we're in for a rough world of pain. Dude, what the heck? Why is it all case specific? Well, hang on. Huh. It's all case specific. That is really odd. Delta time is like one's lowercase, one's uppercase in Unity. That is really weird. I still don't know what I'm gonna do for key code though. No. The least I can do is fix the things that I know I can fix. Surely this thing has raycast. Right? Yeah, this has raycast. Oh no. Wait. Well, hope you enjoyed the stream, guys. I do have to get going, though, so... Again, 1,000 subscribers. It was a real journey. So I hope to see you all another time, and hopefully with a better version of this game I'm making. So, see ya.